Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 5 for CBSE board, chapter number 10 circles. Question number 12. Now, this is an important question. A tangent, a, tri- a, a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeter such that the segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are of length 8 cm and 6 cm. Find the sides AB and AC. Okay. The given triangle ABC circumscribe a circle with center O. So this is a triangle ABC. This is a circle inside the triangle. That means all these sides of triangles are tangent to the circle. So radius of circle is equal to 4 centimeters. So this is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Point D, point D is point of contact. CD is equal to 6 centimeter and BD or what this DB is equal to 8 centimeter given. Find AC and AB. Okay. Since A, B, C are external points, tangent AF and tangent AE is equal, both are equal. Theorem say X. Similarly, BE is equal to B. BE is equal to BD is equal to 8 centimeter. CD is equal to CF is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. So in triangle COD, this triangle, this is 6 and this is 4. This is right angle triangle because this angle is equal to 90. This is radius of circle perpendicular to the tangent, and therefore this, so 90. So in triangle COD, angle D is equal to 90, tangent is perpendicular to radius, and therefore area of triangle COD is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height is equal to 1 upon 2 6 into 4 upon 2, that is 12 cm square. Okay. Since triangle COD congruent triangle COF, where is COF? COF, these two triangles are what? Congruent, because this angle and this angle is equal, this and this is equal, this and this is equal. So by SAS test, these two triangles are congruent, and therefore area of triangle COD is equal to area of triangle COF is equal to 12 square centimeter. Similarly, area of triangle BOD is equal to area of triangle BOE is equal to 16 square centimeter, and therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to 24 plus 32 plus area of triangle AOF plus area of triangle AOE. So therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to 56 plus x plus 4 upon 2, I mean x into 4 upon 2 base into height upon 2 base into height upon 2. So this is equal to 56 plus x plus 4. If you add this, you will get x plus 4 square centimeter. Now then, S is equal to x plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus x upon 2. So 2x plus 28 upon 2. So this is equal to x plus 14. Now use formula, Heron's formula for area of triangle. So area of triangle is equal to under root S into bracket S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and therefore is equal to under root x plus 14. This is equal to x get cancelled 8 into x into x plus 6 square centimeter, and therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to under root x plus 14 into 48x is equal to 56 plus 4x is equal to 4 into bracket 14 plus x, and therefore x plus 14 into 48x is equal to 16 into x plus 14 square. So simplify this 48x, this x plus 14 cancel with one of this 16x plus 14. Simplify this. So this you bring over here. So this is 3x is equal to x plus 14, and hence 2x is equal to 14 and x is equal to 7. So this example is slightly complicated. If you try to understand this example, go through this example again, and therefore x is equal to 7, and therefore AB is equal to AC is equal to x plus 6, that is 7 plus 6 13 centimeter, and AB is equal to x plus 8 is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay. Question number 13. Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtends supplementary angles at the center of the circle. Okay, this is also complicated example. Try to understand. Solution. Quadrilateral ABCD circumscribing a circle with center O. So this is a quadrilateral. This is a circle inside the quadrilateral. So these all sides are tangent to the circle. To prove angle DOC plus angle AOB is equal to 180, and angle DOA plus angle COB is equal to 180. So that is they are supplementary. Proof. Since point A, B, C, D are external points, so sec OA is this is a bisector of angle A. This is bisector of angle B. This is bisector of angle C, and this is bisector of angle D. So therefore this angle and this angle is equal, this angle and this angle is equal, this and this equal, this and this is equal. So sec OA is bisector of angle A, so is equal to 2A. Sec OB is bisector of angle B is equal to 2B. Sec OC is bisector of angle C, there angle C is equal to 2C, and sec OD is bisector of angle D, so angle D is equal to 2D. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360, sum of the angles of a quadrilateral, and therefore 2A plus 2B plus 2C plus 2D is equal to 360, and therefore A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 180. Statement number 1. Now in triangle OAB, this plus this Now in triangle OAB, angle O plus angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Sum of the angles of a triangle, and therefore angle AOB is equal to 180 minus angle A plus B. Statement number 2. Similarly, angle COD is equal to 180 minus into bracket C plus D. Statement number 3. Okay, adding 1 and 2, angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 minus this you expand. So open this bracket, minus A minus B plus 180 minus C minus D. So 180, so this is 360 minus into bracket A plus B plus C plus D. So this is equal to 360 minus this is equal to 180. So minus 180 is equal to 180 from 1, and therefore angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180. So they are supplementary of each other. Similarly, we can prove angle DOC plus angle AOB is equal to 180, and hence opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles. Okay, now today it is enough, and this is the last lecture for what circle. So go through this all lectures, very easy chapter it is. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.